So AI isn't just about chatbots and cool art anymore. It's running factories, managing money, predicting failures, and even handling your emails before you do. The age of AI automation has arrived, and some of these advancements are honestly hard to believe. So today, let's break down the top 5 AI automations that will blow your mind in 2025. Stuff that's already real, not sci-fi. In 5th place, we've got Finance and Fraud Detection AI, the invisible shield protecting your money. Every second, banks process millions of transactions, and AI systems are watching them all. They instantly detect unusual patterns, freeze suspicious accounts, and stop fraud before it happens. What's insane is how these AIs learn new scams every day, adapting faster than hackers can evolve. Major players like MasterCard and HSBC already rely on this tech. So yeah, the next time your bank blocks a sketchy transaction before you even notice, that's AI saving your wallet. At number 4, AI workflow and email automation, or as I like to call it, your personal digital assistant that never sleeps. Imagine this. AI reads your emails, understands what's urgent, schedules meetings, replies automatically, and even updates your Excel sheets. Tools like Zapier AI, Make.com, and Microsoft Copilot are doing this already. What used to take you hours of clicking, sorting, and replying now happens in seconds. It's scary efficient and honestly, kind of addictive once you start using it. Coming in at 3rd, intelligent customer support. You might have already chatted with one of these without realizing it. Modern AI agents can handle voice calls, respond in multiple languages, and even detect your emotions through tone analysis. They're resolving up to 70% of customer issues without any human help. So the next time you call a helpline and think, wow, this rep is super patient and polite, surprise, it might be an AI. At number 2, we've got predictive maintenance, one of the craziest uses of AI in industry. Factories, airlines, and power plants now use sensors that feed real-time data into AI systems. These AIs can predict a breakdown before it happens, sometimes weeks in advance. They automatically schedule repairs, order parts, and even alert engineers. It's like machines have learned to say, hey, I'm not feeling great, fix me before I crash. And finally, in 1st place, agentic AI, also known as the self-working digital employee. This is next-level stuff. Give an AI a goal like launch a product campaign, and it will research, plan, design graphics, write posts, and even publish everything on schedule completely on its own. These AIs can think, plan, and act like real team members. Tools like ChatGPT Team, Copilot, and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 are already proving how far this can go. We're not just talking assistants anymore, we're talking autonomous digital workers. And that wraps up the countdown. From fraud detection to self-thinking AI agents, these automations are redefining what work even means. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.